Hello and welcome. So today we're going to be talking about one of the theories that will explain why some people have schizophrenia. And the theory we're talking about today is about the protozoa-induced psychosis. So what is this theory about? So this is here we have the protozoan toxoplasma. And this protozoan, it replicates inside its host, but sometimes this protozoa needs to go to another host to do its cycle um, over there as well. So one way this protozoa can do that is that it gets excreted in the feces of the cat host. Um, And then the intermediate host, when it comes in contact with the protozoa contaminated feces, um, the protozoa can end up inside the intermediate host neurons inside his brain, and it can stimulate those neurons to secrete dopamine. And this might cause psychosis or schizophrenia to this intermediate host and potentially manipulating its behavior. So this intermediate host may start doing things he usually doesn't do. For example, this can make him get sexually attracted to cat urine, and also it can remove the fear of cats from this mouse. So it's gonna approach cats, and this is gonna increase the chances of this mouse getting eaten by the second host. And after that cat eats the mouse, the toxoplasma is gonna end up inside the body of the other host and is gonna replicate there again. And this article mentions that the same thing may have actually happened in the past with the same mechanism. So lions are cats, so toxoplasma can do the same thing, and it can get excreted in the feces of the lion. And then, if there is a primate, including humans, if it had been in contact with these feces, the toxoplasma again is gonna end up inside the neurons of the brain, gonna stimulate it to release dopamine, causes schizophrenia in the primate, and then alternating its behavior. So um, the behavior changes. It can make the primate do risky stuff, like for example, getting closer to big cats, or it can, for example, uh, increase the chances of the primate to suicide, because schizophrenia is associated with suicide. So after suiciding, the body of the primate is going to be ending up on the ground rather than for the primate to stay protected up the trees. And so when it's in the ground, this is going to increase the chances of those predators to eat the corpse of the suicided primate. And so after the primate gets eaten, the toxoplasma is gonna end up being inside this big cat and is gonna do replication again. So this is one of the theories that can explain why some people have schizophrenia. Thank you so much for watching.